grinding for this. You ready? Bro, are you ready? I'm not ready, man. It's about to...
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this video guys, I'm just gonna show you guys a strategy on how you guys can grow 100 rand, right? 100 rand in South Africa and flip it to 1,000 rand, guys. This is going to be a simple strategy that you guys can use and apply on a daily basis, guys. I've been using it, and I've been growing 100 rand accounts on a daily basis and a consistent basis, right? So the terms and conditions about this strategy to grow 100 rand account is that the pairs that you must trade during growing a 100 rand account, guys, is that do not trade the indices, right? NAS 100, US 30 and DAX 30. I would not recommend you guys to trade 100 rand account with that type of with 100 rand, because why your account will blow ASAP. I don't think you can even take a trade with 100 rand account, right, on an S100 or all of this indices pairs. So that is why I want to teach you guys and show you guys a strategy that you guys can use on a daily basis to be consistent and grow a 100 rand account in South Africa. The reason why I'm doing this video, guys, is because why I get a lot of DMs about how can I start trading but I don't have a lot of money, and I always recommend them it's not necessary to start with a lot of money trading. You can start with 100 rand account, but the only thing that you're gonna need is a proven strategy to help you and to be consistent as a trader, guys. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys a strategy what you guys can use on a daily basis to become a profitable trader, and it will help you to grow any account, guys. So we're gonna take this 100 rand, right? I'm gonna start a series where I'm gonna grow a 100 rand account. So in this video, guys, I'm just gonna show you guys the strategy that I will use. So I'm planning to start the 100 rand challenge, where I'm gonna take this 100 rand, grow it to 1,000, and from 1,000, guys, I will just see how far can I take it, right? So I hope you guys enjoy this video, because why the series is coming, growing a 100 rand account to, I'm just gonna name it, growing a 100 rand account to 20,000, right? It's possible, guys. It's possible. It only starts with you first and your belief first. So let's get into it. So before we jump into this video, guys, I'm just gonna show you guys I'm currently in this trade, Euro JPY. As you guys can see, it is a live account running in this trade right now. Let's see how far this trade will go. So yeah, gang, let's get into this video. Hi traders, so we're back on the charts. So what will you need to take advantage of this strategy, guys? I put everything down on the screen. You guys can just take notes and write it down. So first we have the 21 EMA. This is the red line, as you guys can see right there. And then you must have confluence from your higher time frames. In my perspective is a daily, 4 hour and 1 hour, the regular time frames, just to see in the overall where the market is trading. And then we will use our support and resistance, right? It's gonna be necessary because, right, we're gonna wait for that momentum candle. Momentum candle is the fourth step that we're gonna take a look at, and we're gonna enter our positions on our 50-minute time frame, guys. So pause the screen and just take notes of that strategy. So let's jump into the charts, right? So first, now you guys have everything written down. I know the strategy because I'm using it so long right now. So first we're gonna map down our support and resistance. This is our support and this is our resistance, right? And we must always see where price is trading and what condition is the price in, basically. So what we can see right here is that price is basically in a range bound, right? This is only just one range for us. So now we must wait for price to break under or price to break above the support or resistance. So let's move on and see what's going on, right? And one more thing that we're gonna keep eye out for is once price starting to move above this 21 EMA. That's some key aspect that you guys must understand. Price must close with a momentum candle above our 21 EMA. So let's continue on. Okay, there we have our 15 minutes momentum candle that's breaking our resistance, right? So the rule of this strategy is not trading the momentum, but trading the retracement phase, right? We're gonna wait for that breakout and retracement phase and then take this price to the upside, and this will be most likely our potential areas to target. So let's wait for price to form. There we have our first candle that's showing us that we going to reverse, right? So let's wait. There we have a retest candle. Let's see what price starting to do. Okay, that candle is okay, but guys, I can see we still have this range right here, right? So let's see. Okay, so you guys can see price basically come down again. So price must close above this 21 EMA and it must respect this area of resistance that was resistance that's becoming support right now. So what I would most likely love to do as well is to use a trend line, right, from this high to this area. Let's see. Right, this is a plain simple strategy, guys. There I will take an entry position, right? The reason for that is I'll show you guys right now. Reason for this entry position is that you guys can see price basically break out of this area, right? There we can see price basically coming down in a corrective formation, right? So, and there we have our candle close above this 21 EMA, price respect and create the area of support, on the area of support, and there we can see our momentum is continuing to the upside. So I will target this area at 1 to 2. So let's see how this will goes. And on this strategy, guys, I will most likely get more positions as well. Right, I will add more positions. This is one rule of the strategy. I will most likely add more positions. Okay, that's a great turn up. Okay, look at that reversal. So let's wait for price to showing us something more, right? And just clean the charts a bit so you guys can see what I see. So now we can see on the charts is that we break above these areas, we trace back, continue to the upside. Now we can see a tweezer, right? So now let's wait and see if this area of support will hold, right, and a close above my 21 EMA. That is basically what we're concerned about. Let's wait for it, right? You see how this 21 EMA is acting as a level of resistance right now. That's a candle. That's only candle that's closing above it. So I will take an entry position right there. Keep my stop just under here, not too far, and my 1 to 2 just right there. Let's see how it goes. Right, I've been using this strategy for a long time now. You see there we have take profit hit and this take profit hit as well. So let's see if we can see more trading opportunities, guys. As you guys can see, this is basically a repeatable structure, right, that price love to do. This ascending correct, this descending corrective formation, breakout, another descending corrective formation, close above 21 EMA, yeah, close above 21 EMA, execute, right, close above 21 EMA, execute, right. So let's see more. Okay, I will take a trading position right there. For me, that's a breakout and retest, right? Also, I will take another position and just keeping my stop under my 21 EMA, because I cannot keep it right here, because price can easily come and test my 21 EMA as a level of support and then stop me out, and I don't want that. So I'm just gonna keep my stop under here, right, just under here, right? And let's see, 1 2 2 right there. We have this area of resistance right here. It's going to be interest area for us, so let's see how this trade will goes. Yo, this thing's almost stopped me out. Damn, son. You see what I mean about keeping a stop under your 21 EMA. You see price did spike into it, right, and respect this 21 EMA as a level of support. I did told you guys that, right? So let's see how far this trade will go. So you guys can see how I'm scaling in as well. There we have a beautiful trading position, guys. Let's see how this trade goes. We take profit already. So I hope you guys understand the strategy. Let's just get one more trade in. You guys can. Okay. So now what I will wait for, guys, is that for price to show me something more first, right? We can see we have a rejection from this highs, right? We can mark this area off. We can mark off this area of support as well. Let's see what will happen here. But I will most likely wait for a breakout of it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. We're trading under my 21 EMA right now. Right? Let's wait. Let's wait. Okay, I like that a lot. So now what I will wait for is for price to come to the downside and come and test this area again. Okay, a lovely rejection from my 21 EMA gang. So momentum. That's our momentum candle. I'll execute on this trading position, but I will have a wide stop. Reason for that is, guys, we have this clean range and wick here to the left hand side, so you guys can see right here, right? So let's see how this trade will goes, right? I'm just gonna keep my 1 to 2 and just let the trade run, right? See how this one will goes. See, support is holding. See, let's wait, let's wait, let's wait, let's wait. Oh, I think I'm gonna get stopped out on this trade. Oh, not yet. There we go. There we go. There we have the breakout of it, right? There we have a retest. I can execute another trade right there. I'll put another position in there. Keep my stop under here, right, in 1 to 2 position right there. Let's see how it goes, guys. Price can easily reverse right now. Just plain range. And I hope this support hold. There, that trade was taking profit. I probably will take break even right here. We have a 1-to-1 right here on this trade. Yeah, my stop would have been at break even that time already. So guys, this is basically the strategy, guys. As you guys can see how I'm basically applying this strategy on my 50-minute time frame. This is also the time frame that I'm trading in on a daily basis. So the strategy is simple, guys. Just wait for price to close or below under the 21 EMA. Wait for that 50-minute momentum candle. The momentum candle is basically the key in this strategy, because why, that momentum candle will show you in which direction price will basically move after that momentum candle, right? And it is really necessary that price must close above, right, or below our 21 EMA with a strong momentum candle before we will execute on that trading position. And one more key aspect that you guys must keep in consideration is that you must trading with the trend, right? You cannot trading against the trend. So that is why, as you guys can see how we start, right, price was ranging. I did say we must wait for price to break under this area of support or above this area of resistance, and I did say we must wait for momentum. We did see momentum. Okay, that is what was waiting for. We wait for this retracement. There we can see we have this momentum candle to the upside and we execute, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Please drop your comments in the Please drop your comments down below, guys, if you guys want to see more of this type of video, guys, because I'm gonna bring it to you guys. If you guys want it, I will apply and serve you guys to the best, boys. So it's your boy King GK, guys. I'm signing off. Yo, gang, it seems like this trade is about to hit TP. Let's go get it, sons.